Hi, this is Richard Rosenthal.
And that's Mark D. Friedman, and we're the Friedman-Rosenthal team at Brown Harris Stevens.
We're at 160 East 65th Street, apartment 28E.
The Phoenix. Mark, why don't you tell us about this apartment?
Well, this is a great apartment. It has unobstructed views all around. It's got a renovated kitchen, monogram dishwasher, GE cafe appliances, a Fisher Bickel refrigerator, and it's just a really great space in a fantastic full-service building that has a garage, and it's perfectly placed on 65th and 3rd.
So what we have here is a large 1-bedroom, 1.5 bath on a high floor with fabulous views in a co-op that makes it easy to purchase. Mark, is there any exciting things you want to tell us about this apartment?
As a matter of fact, I do. The owners of the apartment are very involved in the Samuel Waxman Cancer Research Foundation, as am I. And we're very proud to represent that a portion of the proceeds of this apartment are going to go to that organization.
We're very happy to support the Samuel Waxman Cancer Research Foundation.
If you'd like to take a tour of the apartment, please reach out to us at frteam@bhsusa.com, and we'll make sure it happens.